Cat and the Fox. It was evening time. A cat and a fox were sitting and chatting.
These hounds are horrible. I hate them,
said the fox.
Yeah, right. I too don't like them at all,
retorted the cat.
The hounds are very fast, but I'm sure they'll not be able to catch me. I know several tricks. I'm too smart for them,
said the fox.
Tricks? What tricks?
The cat was very curious to know.
There are many,
replied the fox boastfully.
I can run through prickly plants, hide behind bushes, or even in burrows,
beamed the fox.
Is it so?
asked the cat innocently.
Yes, and I don't plan to teach you any of that. Those tricks are only for intelligent ones like me,
the fox said boastfully.
I know only one trick.
The cat sounded a little sad. Suddenly, they heard the sound of the approaching hounds.
Now I will use the trick and save myself. Let me see how you save yourself.
Saying that, the cat quickly climbed onto the nearby tree. The fox tried all of his tricks, but he failed.
Oh no.
The hounds caught him and killed him. It's better to be a master of one trade than a jack of